Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're an oldie, welcome back guys. As you can see by the title, we are trying another wig from Amazon. From the jump, this whole video just went a little bit everywhere, and I'm sorry in advance, y'all. So a lot of the recording for how I achieved this look did not get recorded, and I apologize, y'all, but I really just, it was everywhere anyway. All right guys, so a lot of my video got cut off, so I do apologize about that, but let's get into this feedback insight on this unit. So you'll see in this video, as when I purchased the wig, it looked like the ends were just already loved on, the best way to describe it. So one thing I do say that I do like about this hair is that it can take a straightener at its low setting, so I was able to comb out and like kind of pre-curl it a little bit to just give it back a little bit of a pattern, I would say, or shade to it. So I do find that very beneficial with this unit. I love the color. I think I've said it so many times. I said it in the video. I love this color. Definitely was something I purchased again. I really was looking forward to the actual curl pattern. I'm kind of upset that I didn't get to enjoy that, so I kind of want to get another unit, but maybe this one just may have been, the pattern was just different. But I do want to try out the hair again with the actual curl pattern without me doing anything to it. But for the most part, I mean, with any synthetic hair, you just need to make sure you're packaging it well once you take it off. They do provide you with the storage information and pieces to put in the bag, the net, all that information, all that stuff that you need to really preserve the best you can with a synthetic unit. So that is definitely one plus that I enjoy about this hair. This color turned out so good. I'm actually looking forward to trying different units with this hair. But I will say that a lot of times when you order synthetic wigs, they have a different structure than you would with the human wig. And a lot of, well, I would say like about a good 3 or 4 of the units I purchased, they have this type of parting where under it is a structured lace. And when I say that, I mean that by a structured lace where you don't have the ability to pluck freely like you would on any other lace, or free parting in the area. It's, you have this part and that's it. You cannot go around it because the hair is actually embedded into the lace. So it really prevents you from doing a more of a natural look. I feel like this may be the naturalest I can get it to look, given the circumstances of the type of lace this is. Even with the lace, the actual lace, it stops at the beginning of the part, and that's it that you have in place. The rest is like this weird, it's like a weird material that I can't describe, but you really don't have that free parting. So definitely just keep that in mind when you're purchasing these items. Definitely do your research to look at the reviews to see what other people have described or provided to us regarding how they feel the unit works. But I'm still satisfied for the most part. I mean, for a synthetic wig, you cannot expect HD lace, you know, frontal, we can't expect a frontal outcome from a closure synthetic wig that was less than $20. So I mean, really, let's not put the expectation up too high that we're not being realistic about what we're getting here. So I do like the wig. I would recommend to anyone who just need a nice synthetic wig, nice body wave. I do have a little bit of frizzing, but I think that's just because I'm trying to like still get like a wavy pattern to like come about. The back, I left it in this natural state, so you can kind of see, like, you see how wavy it is, but it wasn't like that in the beginning. I don't know why. I'm almost tempted to, and if I do, I will try to record it. I'm almost tempted to like flexi rod this hair and see how it turns out, to see if it will give it back to a natural state, or like I just really want that curl pattern back. Like the back, you see how wavy it is? When I try to curl it with the straightener, I mean, I got curls, but it's not as curly as it was in the beginning. But to comb the curls out, it got crazy, so I had to like get some order about it. So if you guys want to check it out for yourself, I will put it in the link in the description box below. So I hope you guys truly enjoyed it, but let's go ahead and get into this video. All right guys, so this hair is from Clione. The unit is 24 inches. Let me step back so you can see. This is how it looks. The color says it's $3.50. I wanted to get a different color I've never tried before on a wig, but yes, body wave, 24 inches, and came with the wig cap as well as earrings. It's a little like, I don't know, maybe this side's got a little extra love, I'm not sure, but it's bushy. I don't like these type of parting lace because you can see like they have a permanent color. So it don't even matter if I wear a wig cap or not. But I'm going to pluck this and try to like, let's just naturally put it on and see how it looks before we start doing extra stuff. Oh, I like it. I wish I would have probably did like a more neutral eye though. I don't know how I feel about this being on my hair and my face. Oh, I love this color, y'all. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna have to comb this better. This is looking more like frizzy. Anything else? Yeah, we're gonna have to fix that part. Ow. Okay. Let's try to make this wig work, guys. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you enjoyed this wig review, please don't forget to put a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload, guys. And don't forget, in the description bar below, I will put a link to this hair so you can check it out yourselves on Amazon. But as always, guys, stay true and stay you, and I will see you guys in the next video.